foodie. It's Diwali, so happy Diwali to everybody over there. I'm at Diva Maharashtracha, a prominent restaurant in Mumbai, and there is a Diwali party happening inside. So come along with me and let's see what is happening this Diwali. Come along. This is a traditional welcome. What can I say? Wonderful. Thank you. Hi. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali to you.
Namaskar.
And happy Diwali to you.
Vijay
Kasai. Okay. Let me introduce you to these two wonderful people. This is Mrs. Deepa Avchar, who is the chef, the grand chef of this restaurant, and the owner, Suhas, Dr. Suhas. Hi.
नमस्कार.
So I believe चांगली party चालली. There's a party
धमाल
inside.
एकदम.
धमाल चालली आतमध्ये तुमचीच वाट बघत होती.
Arey, I'm dying to come inside. Shall we go inside?
Come, let's go.
Come along, everybody. This is Diwali, say in a Maharashtrian household.
Yes.
This would be the variety on the table during Diwali.
Exactly, because there are laddus, there is
Come.
Shankarpali.
I want to know what is what, but no?
Okay, let's start Bhakarwadi, famous Bhakarwadi.
Bhakarwadi, okay.
Then Shankarpali,
Shankarpali
all-time
is an all-time Maharashtrian favorite.
Yes. Then this is Shankarpali, but a new addition. This is sandwich Shankarpali. Two Shankarpalis and Bhakarwadi masala sandwich inside.
Oh, so this is really spicy tikka also.
Yes. Then Kadboli.
This is like a chakli, right?
Kadboli is made out of bhajnicha pitachi. All flours, bajri, jwar, nashni, all together, very
mixed up.
healthy.
Okay.
This is all-time favorite besan laddus.
Besan ka laddus.
Yes.
What is this?
This is Mohan Thal, again, which is not easily available in the market.
I want to know amongst these wonderful people here, who's going to cook food? Who's going to cook some nice sweets for us? You, of course.
I'll cook Raghavdas laddu.
Okay. So I think you and me should head there. You guys enjoy yourself. We'll send the food as it gets ready. Okay.
Come.
So Deepa, now this Raghav Das laddu, no?
Yes, Raghavdas laddu.
Raghav Das. You don't know who Raghav Das is.
No,
obviously.
I don't know.
Nobody seems to know who Raghav Das is, but obviously these laddus taste nice.
Yes,
and they're
very,
delicious.
very delicious.
Okay, and this is a very typically Maharashtrian laddu.
Yeah, it's from Western Maharashtra.
From
like
West-
Kolhapur, even Konkan region of Malwan, Vengurla, they all make, because as you can see, there's coconut in it.
Yeah, the minute there is coconut, it has to be
Yes,
from the coastal
yes.
area. Okay, so Raghav Das laddu, that's what the plan is, and Deepa is going to show us how to make it. What goes into this laddu now?
Now Raghavdas laddu has got semolina, but fine semolina,
Okay, this is like
which I have already stir-fried in ghee to
Also-
save in time, so you can have quick Raghavdas laddu.
very good idea. Very good idea. So this is semolina or rava as we know it. and
Rava,
it's
fine rava. Then even coconut I have stir-fried it, because if
Okay.
you don't stir-fry and use coconut, then it oozes out its own milk, and the laddus tend to become soft.
Soft. Okay, soft and soggy.
Yes.
And this is freshly grated coconut, which you have
Freshly
then.
grated, yeah.
Okay. And we've got raisins over here.
Raisins only to decorate Raghavdas laddu.
And this is milk, of course.
Yes.
This is
This is cardamom powder.
and ghee. Nothing good without ghee. Yeah, and sugar.
Yes, and sugar.
Okay, so shall we start?
We'll start with mixing up these two ingredients.
Okay.
That is stir-fried semolina.
Yeah.
Now I add milk to it. I chose to do these Raghavdas laddus because it is not easily available in the market.
Actually, I'm a Maharashtrian, but I've never heard of it.
Okay, what we can do is I can add coconut
At this point?
at this point only.
Okay, fine. And it's another one katori full of coconut, grated
yes.
coconut, which was earlier sort of roasted on ghee.
I can even use cardamom
Cardamom
powder to
powder.
this.
And a lot of cardamom powder.
Yes, so that it gives out
Nice flavor.
Okay, so this is ready.
Okay.
I'll put off this flame,
Okay.
and we'll have to make sugar syrup.
I'll take this off the
Yes,
chula.
okay.
Huh? We'll put this on the side over here.
Just 1 cup of water.
Only 1 cup.
Yes. Normally, when you have any main ingredient, like here we have semolina.
Correct.
Then half or 3/4 of it should be sugar.
Okay, so if you've got...
Depending upon if there are no other ingredients. So what we have to normally do is count the semolina part. That is about 2 katoris.
Correct.
Also count the coconut which has gone into it.
1 katori.
1 katori. So 3 katoris.
3 katoris.
So sugar has to be 1.5. Now water has started boiling.
Yeah, steam's
So
coming.
let's add sugar to it. I have to make this sugar syrup to just 1 thread consistency.
That is this one thread.
Yeah,
I learnt it
yes,
some other
yes,
episode
yes.
like this.
If it becomes more than 1 thread, then your laddus will be like rock hard.
Okay, this is now nice and boiling. It's
Yes.
boiling, yeah?
Yes, now it's coming. Yes, it's done now. You can see.
Okay, so in goes all the rava and the coconut.
This thali has been already greased with ghee.
Ghee. Now this has to cool down till such time as it does not burn your palms. And then you make
Can we
them
take
into...
this remaining
Of
one?
course. Then you roll them into laddus. Okay, now the whole mixture of semolina, sugar syrup, coconut, etc. has cooled down. We've taken a small portion to make just a few laddus. Yeah, because I can't eat too many. I'll put on too much weight. And now Deepa is going to roll them into lovely laddus.
Yes,
Yeah?
so let's start.
Okay.
You have to apply ghee. Without ghee, there cannot be any sweet.
Okay.
Okay.
I love the attitude.
Yes.
And it's not bad.
Excellent, not
Not
bad.
bad, no?
Excellent.
And you said that these which are now a little soft will become a little harder in about
Yes,
10
you
minutes or so.
keep them for another 5 minutes and they'll become hard.
Okay, so here we are, Raghavdas Laddu.
Yes.
So now what Diwali special stuff are you going to make?
Now you had one sweet.
Correct.
So let's go for savory.
Why not?
Yes.
So what is this preparation for
Chakli, but not normal chakli. Batata chakli.
now? Oh, batata chakli.
Yes.
Nobody puts batata in chakli.
I know. So
Yeah.
something you have to be innovative here.
So this is something that you've done?
Yes.
To put potatoes in a chakli, it's fascinating. I like potatoes and I like chaklis both.
Good.
So, chalo, let's make potato
Let's start.
chaklis.
For potato chakli, you require the normal ingredients like rice flour and then potato, raw potato. You must use raw potato, grate it and put it into mixer. We combine all these and make a soft dough. 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder.
Then rice flour is 2 katoris. Then this is 1 full spoon.
Chili powder.
Yes.
Nice. Tikka tikka.
Then goes cumin powder, also 1 full. Then we go in for ajwan, also gives a nice flavor.
And you're
so
putting
1
ajwain
spoon.
full
yes,
ajwain.
yes, yes. Only hing is just 1/4.
Pinch just
Yes.
salt.
Now salt. Now we add this
This pureed
pureed,
potato.
yes, pureed raw pureed potato.
Okay, so
Okay,
everything
now
is in
no,
there.
I
Oh,
said.
the ghee, the ghee, the
ah,
ghee.
yes.
Ghee, most important.
Yes, most important. 1 full, but first I will put half. Let's see.
just to make sure.
Yeah, next. Okay, now let's mix it. Once the dough is ready, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes for proving.
Okay, so you just keep it aside for
Yes, so now I have
You've
also
got-
made it here,
This is the
ready.
dough that you
This is the
already
dough.
made, ready
It
and
has to be as soft as this,
Nice.
you know?
Nice and soft, yeah.
Yes.
Now this goes into the press.
Into the press, but I have to apply ghee or oil, whatever. So let's apply.
To this, to the inside.
Yeah, inside. So make a roll like this. Then you put it in.
Put it in.
You cover this. I'm not bad, huh?
Superb. So not only are you a great cook, you're an artist also.
Then you have to take it on this strainer
Nice
so that
grinder,
oil,
so that
yes.
all the
yes,
excess oil
yes,
goes away.
Yes.
Okay, I think it's ready now, nearly. Lovely. So your batata chaklis are ready. I think it's time for us now to sample some of those wonderful laddus and that batata chakli. So shall we
So
fry up some
come.
more and head there?
Come.
Chalo. We've got some more of these lovely batata chaklis and these Raghavdas ladus that Deepa has made so wonderfully. Please taste some. I'm going to taste this one half of mine earlier.
Good, no?
It's very nice. Very nice. I just like rava, you know. You like the chaklis? I want to try. Come middle से. Okay. These chaklis are amazing because I've never eaten chaklis with batata in it before. So here you go. The chakli will taste like a normal chakli. But then suddenly the taste of potato is quite mind-blowing.
आमचं मराठी म्युझिक आहे तिकडे पाहिजे तुम्हाला
Marathi music आहे? Shall we play some Marathi music? 1, 2, 3, go.
रंगात रंग मिळून सजून आली आली बघा